are running this town. He's a stone cold stare, he ain't playing around. He's got a funky bitch that's on the east side. She's a purebred snapper with a rattlesnake mouth. He's just a cat playing cool and sweet till he pops his claws and shows some teeth. Loves the music and a hosiness, and all I can say is your cat loves fish. When he starts to dance, he moves everywhere, like a spunion sliding down the stair. Well, these kind of a chopper bouncing round the room. The chalk dust torches his favorite groove. A new, a wolf, a custy and a child. Here comes a record jam. Your cat loves it. Well, your mom loves pink and your dad's red. Your sister's a Swiftie and your dog plays dead. Back at home, the cat purrs away, resting on the heady dead. You can try to feed your cat a different dish. Your cat loves fish. Cat, cat, cat loves fish. Your cat loves cat, cat, cat loves fish. Your cat loves fish. Cat, cat, cat loves fish. Fish ain't so. Cat, cat, cat loves fish. Hot tuna. Cat, cat, cat loves fish. Leftover salmon roll. Cat, cat, cat loves fish. Come on, let's go. Cat, cat, cat loves fish. Cat, cat, cat loves fish. Cat, cat loves fish. That's an original that I wrote, yeah.
That is on the CD.
My cat